Hi, in this video I will clarify why livestock play an essential role in achieving food security. They directly contribute to food security by supplying essential macronutrients and micronutrients, and contribute indirectly via, for example, providing manure and traction to support crop cultivation, generating income, and providing insurance and financing. Livestock, however, also consume human edible feed, such as cereals. No matter how efficiently cereals are produced, direct consumption of these cereals by humans is more efficient in an environmental sense than feeding these cereals to livestock to obtain animal source food. In this video, I will explain why reducing the environmental impact of livestock production requires a paradigm shift. Animal scientists should no longer focus on increasing the efficiency of the animal, but should focus on increasing the efficiency of the entire food system. Let me clarify this. In the past, mainly driven by economic incentives, animal scientists focused on increasing productivity per hectare of farmland or per hour of labor. Consequently, animal productivity and the number of livestock per unit of labor increased tremendously. In this graph, you can see, for example, that the annual milk production of Dutch cows doubled in about 50 years, whereas the number of milking cows per farm increased almost tenfold. A major reason why the annual milk production per cow, or the growth rate of pigs, increased is the improvement in feed efficiency. In this graph, you see, for example, that the feed conversion ratio of growing pigs decreased from almost 3.3 to 2.6 in about 35 years. This enduring focus on increasing animal productivity, however, also led to large amounts of human edible plant products like cereals being used in livestock diets, especially in the diets of monogastrics. The current livestock sector roughly consumes 1/3 of the global production of cereals and uses 40% of the global arable land. Direct consumption of these cereals by humans is better for the environment than the consumption of animal source food produced by livestock fed with these cereals. In order to contribute to food security, therefore, livestock should be fed products that humans cannot or do not want to eat, such as wheat middlings, a co-product of production of wheat flour, the main ingredient of bread. Other examples are beet pulp, a co-product of the production of sugar, or rapeseed meal, a co-product of the production of rapeseed oil. And what about grazing livestock? Do they compete with humans? Not directly, because humans cannot eat grass. Although grass doesn't make a great food source for humans, grassland might be suitable for the production of food crops. This competition is referred to as indirect competition. Grazing livestock, therefore, indirectly compete with humans if they graze on land that is highly suitable for crop production. Grazing livestock do not compete with humans if they graze on marginal land, defined as land with low opportunity costs for the production of food crops, such as mountainous areas or drylands. To avoid feed-food competition, therefore, we should shift our diets and feed our livestock with co-products of food production that humans cannot or do not want to eat, and with biomass from marginal land. Recent studies also suggest environmental benefits of feeding food waste to livestock. Utilization of food waste, however, requires innovations to overcome food safety problems and technical concerns related to collecting the waste. In summary, livestock play a key role in food security by adding value to products that humans cannot or do not want to eat, and land with low opportunity cost for arable production. To achieve this role, however, we should shift our focus from increasing productivity per animal towards increasing the number of people to be nourished per hectare. Something to think about.